Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is NENYE'S. I know most of you guys must have seen and heard this pretty voice, but if you're stopping by for the very first time today, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my mom's cooking beans recipe, the way she makes her beans without red oil. And yeah, I know most of you guys might be saying how, why, how, wow, but yeah, you guys should stay tuned as I show you guys how I make this wonderful beans recipe. It's going to be a very fun cooking, and yeah, you guys should stay tuned as I get started. So guys, I'm going to be using a white iron beans for this cooking recipe, and basically this is the kind of beans I like to eat. Like, I love iron beans more than the rest of the beans, so I'm going to be using iron beans today. And this beans has already been pre-washed and is ready for parboiling. When my beans is on fire, I'm going to be blending my shombo, and also shombo and fresh tomatoes or tomato paste, which is the tin or sachet tomatoes, are one of the key ingredients for making this wonderful delicacy. And so my beans is ready for parboiling. This parboiling took about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to be washing it off at least 2 to 3 times before cooking. And as you can see, the water is all dark. The essence of this parboiling is to reduce the gas formation or the gas effect from the beans for people like me that suffers from chronic gas and bloating. You can also wash your beans like this, or you can soak it at least 2 to 3 hours before cooking. So I'm going to be using this ginger for this cooking recipe. Also, you have to be strategic when using it, not to add too much, but that depends on the quantity of beans you are going to make. And this ginger adds a lot of flavors to the cooking. I'm not going to be using much ingredients for this cooking except these few ingredients you are seeing here. Here, you can use your olive oil, you can use your groundnut oil for the cooking, but that depends on the kind of oil you want to use. And also, after then, I'm going to be pouring in my tomato paste, which I blended with shombo. Sorry guys, I forgot I was not making yam and egg sauce when I was dicing the tomatoes. Then after, I have to blend it. And also, I'm going to be frying this tomato paste for at least few minutes before adding in the shombo water, as you can see the way I'm doing it right now. And I'm going to allow it to cook till the water dried up. And also, you guys might be wondering why my shombo water is like this. Yeah, the reason being that my shombo was so soft, we didn't have light, my shombo was so soft, so there's no way I can remove the seed from the shombo. Then I have to blend everything together and then now sieve it out. You can do it this way, but somehow it's stressful. Yes, this method is somehow stressful because you have to start sieving until there's no more seed in the shombo water. After adding the salt and seasoning cubes, I'm going to allow this tomato paste to cook till it completely dries up. And yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some fun facts about my mother's cooking recipe. As she said that shombo is one of the key ingredients because it adds color to it. And also, I think that this is something that I inherited. Maybe this cooking was passed down to me. I know it sounds so funny. You guys shouldn't mind my cracked voice. I know it sounds so funny, but that's what I feel, that this cooking was passed down to me because her mom can cook and she can cook. And also this cooking brings back a lot of memories to me because I have missed this particular recipe. I've missed of her overall cooking. I've missed her so much. I've missed everything about her. And yeah guys, there's something she normally does whenever she's cooking. That she sings whenever she's cooking. Yeah, she sings, and that's why I said that it's like this is being passed down to me because whenever I cook, I sing. Yeah, I'm very happy making this recipe, though she's not here with me, but I'm very happy that I'm making this recipe today. I'm sharing this particular recipe with you guys. So then my tomato paste is completely dried up. I'm going to be adding the beans inside the tomatoes, and also I'm going to be adding more seasoning cubes and salt, and then I give it a stir and allow it to cook for at least 45 minutes till my beans gets soft. I'm so sorry guys that I'm making this beans cooking recipe video all about my mom, but that's how it is, because she's the one that taught me how to make this delicious delicacy. So I'm going to be making it all about her today. And yeah, in my subsequent videos to come, I will also be sharing with you guys how she makes her ofe owere. Rich, everything at the inside. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys her ofe owere, ofe ashala. Because my mom, she's from Imo State. Yeah. All these Imo State people, they know how to cook very, very well. Also, kazi soup. Oh, hanemi of man. Ofe ashala, ofe owere fana, ofe lijimarafa. Biko. And yeah, my beans is halfway done. Next, I'm going to be adding the yam inside the beans porridge and allow it cook till it gets soft. And also, I hope you guys are enjoying this my cooking recipe. So, also the fun fact I shared with you all. Oh, this beans is giving me joy. Like, I've really missed this kind of beans porridge. I've really missed it. So it's giving me so much joy that I'm preparing and sharing this with you guys here today. And also don't forget to leave some comments in the comment section, and I will gladly respond to all of them. So guys, my beans is almost ready, like it's almost done. And also you can try this recipe out with plantain, both ripe and unripe. You can try it out with potatoes, you can try it out with rice. You can also cook the beans without any of the above mentioned. And yeah, my beans is ready. Oh my goodness, these beans look so yummy and colorful. Oh, I can't wait to enjoy these beans. So guys, this is officially the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you've not watched my other food cooking video, please you can go ahead and do so. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.